arithmetic progression. An AP is a type of sequence where the numbers are generated by adding or subtracting a constant term known as the common difference. Example, let's look at example. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so the example is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So let's look at what we call first term and common difference of an AP. So we have the first term and common difference. So if you have an AP such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, the first term represents the first number. So our first term is equal to what? 2, which is what? The first number. And the common difference will be equal to what? The second term minus the first term, which is what? 4 minus 2, and that will give us what? 2. So generally, the first term of an AP is represented using A, and the common difference is represented using the small letter D. So let's look at general arithmetic progression, general AP. So the n term of an AP is represented using Tn. So that means that our first term can be represented using T1, and our second term may be represented using T2, and our third term may be represented using T3, and so on. Okay. So that means that general AP will be given as T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and so on. Now let's look at the n term of an AP. The n term of an AP. So if you have an AP and the first term is equal to A, and the common difference is equal to D, the first term of that AP, which is what? T1, will be equal to what? The first term, which is what? A. And the second term of the AP, which is what? T2, will be equal to what? The first term plus the common difference. And the third term of the AP will be equal to what? A plus 2 times the common difference. And the fourth term of the AP will be equal to A, which is the first term, plus 3 times what? The common difference. And the fifth term will be equal to the first term plus 4 times the common difference. Generally, an AP can be written as A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on to A plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So generally, the n term of an AP, which is Tn, is given as A plus n minus 1 times D, which is the common difference, where your A is the first term, your n is the particular term, and your D is the common difference. So this is all about the first term, the common difference, and the n term of an arithmetic progression. Our next video will be an example under arithmetic progression. Thank you very much, and God bless you.